Hi, John Peak, the paint professor here with your tip of the week. We're in a 100-year-old building that is concrete walls with a sand finish plaster texture. We're trying to match the look on the walls. There've been a lot of patches over the years that are smooth, some areas that are still textured, but we wanted to get that original look. So what we've done here is taken hot mud, and hot mud is just a mixed drywall patch. And then we took some stucco patch, added a very little bit of it to the 5-minute mud mix, floated the walls with our putty knife, and then came back with a rubber sponge after it had set up for a few minutes, and we've smoothed it out like this. And now we've got this really cool sand finish texture which matches the original look. So that's your tip of the week. Thanks.